Hello there! Today we will be making a crab. Yes, we see multiple steps right here. Let's try and follow all of them to make this beautiful crab. We will start by making an almond shape. Yes, it looks something like an oval, but it is a little pointed on the sides. After that, we will make the legs and the top part of the crab. Yes, we will be making the lines initially and then making it fair. Remember, when you're making a rough drawing, it needs to be a little light so that if we make a mistake, it is easier for us to erase it. Also, you can draw the fair drawing on top of your rough drawing. Rough drawing is just like the skeleton of our drawing. Continue making these thin tube-like structures and then make the top part. These are the claws of our crab. Are you excited to make this? Well, I'm excited too. Let's complete this. The top claw is going to be big enough. And then let's make these side parts. We will have 3 rectangular ones and then the top one is going to be a little pointed. That's amazing. Let's make the top part now. This is where its head and eyes are. Let's make this curve over here. And then make the structure or the body of our crab a little darker now. Yes, as this is our fair drawing. Complete making these lines and then start making these circles on the body. Yes, the shell of our crab. Try and make it on equal distance so that it looks nice. And look at that, our crab is ready. It's time for us to sketch this with a black sketch pen. So let's grab our sketch pen and start sketching this. This is going to be fun, but at the same time, we need to be very careful and sketch this. Do not make a mistake so that it is going to look perfect. Complete the entire drawing and sketch right on top of the pencil marks. We will sketch this slowly and nicely. And look at that, our crab is ready. We need to erase the pencil marks we see and quickly start coloring this. I'm very excited to color this. And can you tell me the colors we're going to use for this one? Yes, you're right. We will be using brown, yellow and orange. We've started with the brown color as of now. Let's do brown in all the spaces. And then move to the next color. Let's take an orange shade at first and do it at these places. Yes, wherever we want a dark shade. This is going to give us a beautiful shading effect on top of the crab's shell. So let's do this together. Yes, this is where the shadow is forming and hence these parts are highlighted and are a little darker as compared to the rest of the shell. Now let's blend it with yellow color. Well, yes, we need to press our pencil color on top of the paper so that we get a beautiful shade of yellow. We will make sure that we do not keep any white spaces. And yes, try and color only in one direction. Complete the claws and then start coloring this part in sleeping line. That's interesting. Complete the entire thing in a similar way. And try and not keep any white spaces. And look at that! The crab looks wonderful!